Hello all, this is Rohit Paradkar, and what you see down below is my Instagram handle. If you don't follow it, please follow it already, because I keep doing some fun stuff on the Insta stories, like the Guess the Car thing, which I did recently with this particular photograph. This is a book from, I think, 2008, and I put a photo of this particular car and asked you guys to guess the car, and I got an overwhelming response for it. And it's not hard to see why, because from the shape, from the grille, from the wheels, a lot of you thought that this might be the Chevrolet Beat, the Chevrolet Matiz, or maybe a modified version of this car. Well, a lot of you came close when you made that observation, but this is actually not it. What this is actually the Chevrolet Trax concept from 2007. Now, this was essentially based on the same Beat or Matiz platform. It also ran a 1-liter petrol engine, which we saw in the Matiz as well. But this was their vision of a rugged, go anywhere kind of a hatchback. Now, we've seen a lot of these crossover hatchbacks from various manufacturers, but thankfully Chevrolet never actually built this. But they did use this name a little while later in about 2013, where they built the Chevrolet Trax, which was a subcompact crossover, subcompact SUV, whatever you might want to call it. And now there's a second generation of it as well, and that car, the first generation that came out, it was based on the Gamma 2 platform, which underpinned the second generation Chevrolet Aveo, which never came to India, or the Chevrolet Sonic, which also never came to India. A lot of you also thought that this car featured in Transformers, though it didn't. But like I said, the name was used later, and I'm glad they never built this. I'm also glad they never brought the Trax to India, because it wasn't really that inspiring a vehicle. With the kind of competition it had, it probably wouldn't have survived. But anyway, that's a little bit of trivia. So like I said, if you don't follow me on Instagram already, please do that. Do participate in these Guess the Car quizzes. Sometimes I also do giveaways with these. With this one, I'm not doing any, but a quick shout out to the only 2 people who got this right. Only 2 people actually guessed this to be the Chevrolet Trax concept. So kudos to you guys, but yeah, there is no giveaway. And one of you also asked me if I can give away the book. Well, this book is from 2008, and all the notes, of course, they don't mean anything to me anymore. But if you want the book, yeah, give me your shipping address. I'll courier this to you. Thank you so much for watching.